So sweetie, what is good, guys. Like what is good. I am here buying flour, and the same time this lady was like, what is your because you see us carrying camera doing video. She was asking us, are we a YouTuber or Facebook creator? We tell her say yes, we are YouTuber. At the same time we create videos on Facebook. She was like, she used to watch one lady hair tutorial. I was like, as she's trying to describe her, when she described her, it happened to be hair tutorial. Like she even said the day Munachi do her birthday. Like I was so surprised. Like this is India lady telling me when Munachi make her birthday. Tell them.
Hi Munna, how are you? I will show your. I will watching your videos.
Wow.
So lovely, you very much. Thank you.
She said she used to watch the Munachi video, and the same time she was there watching her birthday video and everything. Like this is so sweet, guys. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
My sister, you see, what is good. Everybody love you. We all love you. We thank God for your life. We thank God for your growth. Like this is India. And no hit in mind that you have gone worldwide. Okay, your platform is everywhere. Keep growing, sweetie. Keep growing. Many of us look up to you because you have already made that name. Okay, we love you. Like this is India lady just describing you to me. I'm so grateful. We thank God for everything. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy birthday to you. Keep growing, baby girl. We love you. Okay.
Okay. Today you
So sweetie, we are going to go with this one. This is so cute. So this one is the flowers we are going to go for. Look at the second one. It's so huge. So we are going for this tray. So it's tray number, as you can see. So this is it. So sweetie, at this point we are done with this one. So this is the flower we are going to go for. It looks so cute, right? So we have called our driver to come and pick it. So we are going home at this point. I think we are going to stop here. We are going to have breakfast. We haven't eaten at this point. Anyway, guys, let's see how it goes. So sweetie, see the lady. We had this cute lady, Jordan. So she still tell us, guys, she know Muna and her family. That is her hair tutorial, and she used to watch them. Okay, say bye. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in our next one. Bye. So sweet, we are here to have breakfast. We haven't eaten, so we have already taken order. So let them bring for us to eat. So I'm going to show you guys when they come. Anyway, see you guys later. This one is their French fry. Oh yeah, eat your French fry. Take from this. Oh yeah, eat. This one is biryani. So this one is Indian biryani. So this one is chicken fried rice. Still biryani. This one is mutton soup. That is goat meat soup. Let me go do this one. I promise sweet too. Anyway, this one is their sauce. They have all this cream sauce for biryani. So yeah, let's eat. Amanda, why you fried rice? You know why you fried rice? So what do you mean by fried rice now? This is why you fried rice. I can bring this one now. I've been a French fry, they call fried rice. Who not to take? Sugar, take this one. I don't know. Let's check what we are going to eat. This one chicken fried rice. As in chicken biryani. This one is like Indian jollof rice. Let me show you guys. This one is Indian jollof rice. This is how it always come. And this one is their fried rice. That is French fry. So yeah, let's eat. You want chocolate? I'll take chocolate. Hold it now. Mona, you want strawberry? So this one is for mommy. Whose flavor is this one? I thought it was. The food is delicious, guys. Yeah, yummy.
Mama, my son is put that happy birthday at your time.
Okay. Happy birthday, not the finish. What? The breakfast has gone well, guys, so I think I'm done eating at this point. Though I still have my chicken or eat. So sweet, I'm done eating. So this one is the soup. We did not touch this one. We did not touch this. So this one is my egg. I did not eat egg. So we are done eating at the same time. I buy this one for the kids. They did not eat. You want to eat it now? No, I'm going. You are going to do take away. Eat egg. That will give you egg. Hope the dog collect my egg. Hope my food not go waste. Anyway, guys, we did not eat this one, so we are done with the juice. This one is the juice they serve us, but this one they refuse to eat it. They are eating French fries, so they are going to take this one maybe more delicious because we are going. We don't have that time again. So sweetie, at this point I don't eat India biryani. Look at my stomach. My stomach don't big. Anyway, the food is okay, and now I'm going to wash my hands. So thank you guys for watching. We love you. Don't forget to share in our next one. Bye.